Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones traded with a bullish bias thus far. We have seen US30 hitting 38,570 levels close to the all-time highs recently what we have seen 38,585, and US100 is also seen little bullish momentum. It has again come to the resistance at 17,550 levels. So now what to expect with the US session? Can we expect a drop from here, or there is further bullishness which can take the indices to the record highs? What is going to be our strategy trading Nasdaq and Dow Jones? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. This is the second update for the day, and do join the channel memberships to get additional benefits. Let's start first to look into Nasdaq, followed with Dow Jones. Watch till the end. And yes friends, every like, comment and share is a great motivation. Now look at US100 on the hourly charts trading in the range. It has achieved the highs which it has seen recently, and it is, let's see if it gives a breakout here. 17,560 should be the ideal levels beyond which we can initiate a buying position, but then I will look forward to 17,580 and 17,650 as the two resistances. Yes, only bullishness is confirmed if it trades beyond 17,650 levels, else the swings are possible. Now look on the downside, the support at 17,500 has become very strong. Thus it has to trade below 17,500 and 480 levels in order to confirm further drop. How far it can drop? The 20 period moving averages have climbed up towards 17,470, which makes it as a greater support zone, and the next support is at 17,400 levels. As long as 17,400 is respected today, we should not be treating Nasdaq 100 as bearish as well. Yes, it can show a bounce back. Stochastic rising, MACD. Now see, MACD on the hourly charts has crossed over at the top. It is trading with little divergence. Yes, it is traded with a strong bullish momentum. I will wait for it to yield a stronger red candle and confirm the bearishness. Right now it is not showing any bearish signs. RSI rising, coming to 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, higher lows, higher highs. Yes, we have to wait for it to break. See, we can look forward to see if it breaks beyond 17,580. We have to wait for 17,600 650 zone, which is carrying a greater resistance for Nasdaq 100. Right now what I am looking forward to is lower highs here and lower lows here. Thus we have to be cautious, watchful in between these levels. Stochastic is rising here. MACD is divergent. It is in green. It can possibly converge crossover, showing no signs as of now. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 3. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, remember, it is forming higher lows. It can reverse and crash strongly. Thus a selling entry at 17,500 or 17,480 can be taken, below which you can expect it to drop towards 17,400 and lower levels. Stochastic is overbought here. MACD is extremely divergent and bullish. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 4-hour. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, almost forming a symmetry here. Divide this into two, you will find a symmetrical candle. See, preceding candle was a rise candle. It could follow that double top is done and it could reverse. Thus we have to wait for it to break below 17,500 480. Below this, certainly you can say that the prices have reversed, and we are looking forward to 17,400 as the next targets, and below that a major drop cannot be denied. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI is rising. Coming to the look at the daily charts, double top is done, and yes, forming the double top, we can expect it to reverse with lower highs, lower lows. Be watchful, and yes, a little rise towards 17,580 600 cannot be denied. Only bullish confirmation in Nasdaq 100 today is above 17,600 630 levels. After that, you should treat this as a stronger reversal, because see, it has hit a 20 period moving average and showed a rise, but I will still treat it as in a bearish channel. Stochastic rising. MACD is almost trading with very minimal divergence. RSI is well. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators, and before I give you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch commencing in a couple of weeks. 28th batch commences this week itself. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can join my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Reach out again via Telegram or email for more details. And yes, if you want to consult with me, you can schedule a call with me for any of your trading or training related queries. And yes, this consultation or guidance you can book from my platform www.forexfunda.com. The links are there in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 on the hourly chart has been trading in this wave, and if you look at the highs here, the highs are far apart at 38,700. Now we have to wait for it to break beyond 38 600 levels, beyond which certainly the bullish momentum may prevail, and we can look forward to 38 680 700 levels. What it is doing right now, I can see a symmetrical formation, I can see a double top levels. Thus it needs to break beyond 38 600 in order to confirm. If you look at a stochastic, this is rising. The MACD has crossed over. Remember, it is trading with very little divergence and it is red. And possibility of a drop from current levels suggests we have to wait for the next candle. RSI rising, coming to 2-hour chart. Likewise, on the 2-hour chart, see it has to break below 38 500 now. 38 500 480 levels. If it breaks, you can stay short for 450 and 400 levels. 400 is going to be a great support, and below that, a sharper drop cannot be denied. Stochastic rising, MACD is in green, RSI flat, and on the 3-hour, if you look at 3-hour charts, higher lows, higher highs, it has to break below this zone in order to confirm the drop there. Yes, I'll be looking forward to 38 400 below that, and more bearishness may prevail below those levels. It can see symmetry here, it can erase all the gains, can drop towards 38 300. That will be my expectation. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to 4. Now on the 4-hour charts, higher highs here, lower lows, which means it can try to move. And once it breaks below 38 450 is where the bears will take over. Stochastic overbought here as well. MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily chart. See, it is breaking out here. It has formed a tail, but I see this is higher highs and possibly a swing, because we have seen a swing in the preceding candle. Thus, it could bring back the same intent what we have seen in the preceding candle, and it could show a swing, and this could be a sharper drop which can lead it to further lows. Be watchful of this. Any drop below 38 480, you can initiate a selling position towards 38 400. But remember, a rise beyond 38 600 and 690, do not think of selling US30. It is going to fly. If it breaks 38 600 and then 38 690, do not think of selling US30 beyond 38 690. We are looking forward to 38 840 and plus levels. You have to trade with caution. Yes, what I can see here is a swing. We have to expect that, or we can expect here 38 400 and 38 300 levels on the downside before it bounces back. And on the upside, beyond breaking beyond 38 5 690, it is not going to come back. Remember this fact. Take your positions accordingly. Buy right now at 38 480 and sell it. Buy at 38 580 and sell at 38 480 levels. Do not trade in this 100 points. On the upside, beyond 38 580, we can look forward to 600 690 zone, which is going to be a greater resistance zone. 690 is what is going to be a stronger resistance. I do not see it breaking beyond those levels. If it does break 38 690 700, yes, you can say sky is the limit. However, a swing also cannot be denied. Achieving 38 700, we can see a pullback which can take the prices towards 38 400 levels as the next swing, and it could end up the day in a doji at around 550 is what this is another expectation. On the downside, sell at 38 480, expect it to get support at 450 and 400. Only below 400 is where the bears will be seen. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Trade with caution.